For all the State Jural Assemblies Part 25 State Electors, State Nationals, and State Citizens by Anna von Reitz. Okay, let's try it again. State nationals equals everyone born within the physical geographical borders of a state. A national has no particular duty to serve the state other than to obey the public law, non-statutory law, and keep the peace. State citizens equals those state nationals who additionally choose to serve the state government in some capacity, such as jurors, militia members, elected officials, or hired officers. State electors equals those state nationals who own land in the state and meet other requirements such as legal age, etc., to participate in state elections. You can be either, 1, a state national or 2, a state citizen. Being a state national or a state citizen does not necessarily mean that you qualify to be a state elector. You can be part of the State Jural Assembly and serve as a juror without being a state elector. You can be elected to a public office, such as sheriff, without being able to vote for yourself. This is because of the pesky issue of letting non-landowners vote on questions that only affect landowners, and therefore the requirement that state electors be landowners. Please hit subscribe, like, share, embed, and get ready for many more Anna von Reitz videos.